we come to the question answer session. Now, the first question that I would like to take here is on how to pronounce ha and ma. Brahmanaha, Brahma.
Brahm.
Ha. Now, there are questions regarding that.
Brahmanaha.
When there is a makara, anunasika letter followed by hakara, anunasika letter especially. So when there is a makara after hakara, this hakara is an aurasya varna. So as per the Pratishakya, it's an aurasya varna, and you ha. So there is an effort from the chest and kantha to pronounce this hakara. So after this aurasya varna, if you have a makara or a nakara, ma or a na, anunasika letter, any anunasika letter, the anunasika letter is pronounced first, not the hakara. So this is as per the Pratishakya, Vedic Pratishakya. But some grammarians, they argue and they say that no, Brahma, maybe Pandits in North India, they pronounce it as Brahma, but most of the South Indian and other Pandits, they use Makara first, Brahmanaha. So this is the first question that I thought I should answer. So which is the correct thing, sir? Should we pronounce Brahmanaha, Brahma, or should we pronounce Brahma, Brahmanaha? Like that, how do we pronounce? The preference and the Vedic pronunciation is Brahmanaha, Brahma. Similarly, na, vanhihi. It is not vahnihi, vanhihi. So this, let us note this. Then there are some questions related to type of Samyuktaksharas. The type can be here and there, but the type is, we should know how the script is written. That is the most important thing. Soumya H asks a question, in Vaksamyama word, should we use yakara or makara for anuswara? So Vaksanyama, the pronunciation is Sanyama. There is a Dvitva in the pronunciation that will be dealt with in the pronunciation. We use the anuswara only, Vaksanyama. Sudarshan Srinivasacharya, he has a question. Yesterday, course materials were not uploaded till 8 p.m. Can it be done from now on by a specified time every day to enable catching up? So the answer to this is, see, we are to upload, to edit this video, upload, etc. It takes a lot of time. Our volunteers and our staff members are working on these things. So that is why we keep the YouTube video live. So if you want to revise, you can use the YouTube video and revise. The materials will be uploaded before evening. 5 o'clock, we can try to upload. Kasturi Krishna Kumar. Her question is Chanchu. Chanchu, let us take the word Chanchu. She has a question on the word, on the Sanyuktakshara Chanchu. Okay. Now, ch plus ny, ch. The second letter is written below the first letter. Okay. Pancha, Chanchuhu. I think it is clear now. She wanted me to pronounce it again. I have tried to answer most of the questions. If any question is not answered, you can write a mail. We can complete or close the class now here. There are 2 people who are raising the hands. Niranjan T. Niranjan Mahodaya.
Ram Mahodaya, I have a doubt.
Who is this?
Sir, Lakshamrita. Sir, if there are different Vyanjanas like K plus K, is it Vijatiya Samyuktaksharani? And when same Vyanjanas are added, is it Samyuktaksharani?
Vijatiya, what? So, if the 2 Vyanjanas are similar, it is called Sajatiya. If it is 2 Vyanjanas are dissimilar, it is called Vijatiya. But both are Sanyuktaksharas only.
Yes.
Is it possible that there could be a combination of Vyanjana and
Plutaswara.
Vyanjana and Plutaswara. Yes.
Okay. Because
There is
in
a possibility. Possibility is there.
Gunitakshara, we just had this only Hraswa and Dirgha.
Those examples are seen in the Vedas and they are very rare. So,
Okay. Okay.
Namaskara, Mahodaya.
mm,
This is not regarding the class. Mahodaya, every day I am getting a mail stating that the class will start 1 week later. Yesterday I got a mail stating the class course begins on February 23rd. Today I received a mail, the course starts on 24th. But of course, I'm getting the 1 hour remainder mail stating that the class begins at 5:30. So whom should I write, Mahodaya, regarding this? That I'm getting a mail that your class is starting only today. Tomorrow, maybe I get a mail. Yesterday I got a mail. It is starting on 23rd, Mahodaya.
So can I answer now?
Yes, Mahodaya.
So that is called weekly reminder. We will switch off the weekly reminder in Zoom. Maybe it is confusing for all of you.
Astu, Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, can I ask a question?
Ah,
My question is, when we write a Samyuktakshara, sometimes it's difficult to join these, especially when 2, 3 are there. If it becomes difficult, in that case, if we write Vyanjana, that half matras of each varna, is that also valid? Or is it considered wrong?
so there is a Shishtachara.
Hmm.
Shishtachara means what our elders have told us that we should follow this method of writing. So as long as we follow that, it is good. For example, K plus Sha. If you write it as K plus Sha only, probably it will be considered as incorrect. Instead of, if you think that I don't know Ksha, and it will be considered as incorrect. But for K plus Va, Kwa, instead of writing by the side, if you are writing below or something, some slightly here and there, that may be considered as correct. So there are some Sishtacharas which have to be, which are identified. Nya, for example, Tra, Nya, Ksha, Scha, all these things we have to be very careful in the methods of writing.
And just one more question about that combination of Hakara and Na or Makara. When we split that word like Chinham or Brahmana, first comes Ha and then the Nakara or Ma, is it? While writing, asking.
But while writing and while writing, the Hakara should be written first. While pronouncing, Makara should be pronounced first. This is in the case of Ha only. Ha, Ma, Ha, Na only. Otherwise, whatever we write and whatever we pronounce are same.
And just one more, in the word Samshayaha and Samyama, that Makara Anuswara, since it is followed by a Avargiya Vyanjana, Samsha and Samya, is that the reason why we write Anuswara only there? Bindu? I'm sorry,
so this question I will take when we do the Vyanjana Sandhi. So there are certain other works that happens. Sandhi Karya, Sanyama, etc. Samshaya, see, when Makara is there, so and followed by Shakara, it becomes Anuswara.
Anuswara.
Followed by any consonant. Makara followed by any consonant will result in Anuswara.
I just meant in those Vargiya Varna, if Makara is followed by Vargiya Vyanjana, then we take that Anunasika of that Varga, no? Whereas for this Yara, Lava and all, since they don't have any...
That is all Sandhi Karya. That is all Sandhi Karya. I will talk about it in Sandhi class.
Astu Mahodaya, Dhanyavada.
Sir, a last question regarding this Ha and Ma. Sir, is there any Paninian rule for that? Because if there is a particular rule, then everyone should follow that only.
Paninian rule is not there, but the Pratishakya rule is there.
Sir, Pratishakya is different for different Vedas, I think. Or
Yes.
every Veda is single.
For different Vedas, in Pratishakya, this rule is there. Next question. I think it is 7 o'clock. We have to stop. So you can raise the questions through the email. There will be a lot of questions on pronunciation and other things. Pronunciation itself is a big ocean. It requires a 15-day course to get into Pratishakya, to get into the Shiksha Shastra, and to analyze why it is like that. So things will be more clearer when we do the sthana prayatna. How does this pronunciation happens actually? So that we will be doing tomorrow. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahimahishah go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.